Hello there.
What's good, guys? My name is Mike, and today we're going to be taking the engine out of a 1992 Toyota MR2. So this car has a 5S FE engine. It is a 2.2 liter from Toyota. 4-cylinder with roughly 100 horsepower. This car has almost 77,000 miles, which is not nearly a lot for its age. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm trying to turn this thing into a little scooting race car. Let me just pop the hood. There's no engine in here. Alright, so this video, it's gonna be short, sweet, to the point. Let the time lapse begin right about now. She's out.
Oh my God, look at that.
Look how much room we have to play with. Now that's an awesome sight. Really, really awesome. So there's a few things that we can do now. I can put a V6 inside of this bitch. Could put a K-Series out of a Honda, which would be a little bit pricey, but probably be worth it in the long run. Or I could go the traditional MR2 route, and I can put a 3S GTE in, which is the turbo motor, which is probably the most cost efficient, so might end up doing that. But I want you to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so if you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to follow the MR2 build, subscribe. If you do subscribe, not only do you get to follow the MR2, you also get to follow this build. It is a 2001 325i. I've had it for about a year and a half, and I've been picking away at it slowly as I can. When I bought it for $200. The front end was completely smashed in. The driver's side quarter panel was ripped apart, so we welded in a new rear quarter panel, repaired the front end. Also, we gutted the interior, we welded the differential, and we installed Raceland coilovers. So, if you guys want to follow this build, go ahead and subscribe, and I want everybody who watches this video, go ahead and have a kick-ass day. Peace.